Hello and welcome to this month's video blog. Today we are going to talk about the difference between the Retroline and the Retroline Mini. Heating cable and end seal boot size. The Retroline and the Retroline Mini are both internal freeze protection systems. However, the difference is their sizes. The Retroline Mini is much smaller than the Retroline. The Retroline Mini is small with regards to its heating cable thickness and end seal boot. As you can see, it is similar to the size of a pencil. Fitting size. There are multiple plumbing fitting sizes available for both the Retroline and the Retroline Mini. However, the main difference is with regards to the male adapters. The Retroline Mini comes in a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch male adapter thread, whereas the Retroline comes in a 1 inch to a 2 inch male adapter thread. Maximum lengths. The Retroline comes in both a 120 volt and a 240 volt system. The 120 volt system comes in a maximum length of 230 feet, and the 240 volt system comes in a maximum length of 550 feet. However, the Retroline Mini only comes in a 120 volt system with a maximum length of 130 feet. Installation method. During the installation process, the Retroline can be pushed up to 300 feet, whereas the Retroline Mini can only be pushed up to about 130 feet. Thank you for watching this month's video vlog. We will continue to release new video vlogs monthly, so make sure you sign up to our newsletter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on Facebook or one of our other social media pages. Thank you for watching.